Welcome back to our channel. We are now back to Cape Town. We've left the old premises and it's for sale, and we are going to start on the SS. So in this video, we basically getting all the stuff from Pietermaritzburg, which is 1,000 miles, give or take, away from here. This is our new premises, and keep following our story. Let's see where this ends. We're going to restore this one. Obviously, nobody wants to buy it. So we're doing oil changes, gearbox, engine, diff, before we continue our move. The Ford is doing a good job so far.
Good morning, Internet. Welcome to a crispy, fresh Pietermaritzburg. And here she comes. Here she goes.
One Jag loaded on the way to Durban to get to a truck. Surprise, and there's SS ready to go. One car delivered. However, see that big hole? We lost the tailgate, the boot lid. We're gonna go back tomorrow to fetch some more parts, and hopefully we find it next to the road. So we got now 3 loads here. Most all the chassis, all the engines, all the gearboxes, radiators, drive shafts, front axle, bodies, the SS. We've got all those tires, and if we go up stairs, we must still move all that stuff. We must make order and move all that stuff up here. So up here we've got some extra fenders already. Extra fenders and all the trim pieces. Shoaib has left and went to get another load. So he should be back in a couple of days.
The YouTube channel, look. Saya enter ka soon kaya video, right? Why? This on iya kerak papa, hikom saya istu. Ay manas terut somata bestir. Sip de lijn naar huis toe.
Kyk hier mooi bokkies. Here in the heart of Stellenbosch. I show him, it looks like he's got a leg that is a bit sore. His leg. Bye bye. fuck up number one. So here we've got the chassis that's been painted inside out and stored for 40 years. And we've got it on 4 little legs. And we found that there's play in it. So it looks like there's a kink over here, but we're gonna kind of take it to the specialists to straighten up for us. So furthermore, means we've got all our shit down to Cape Town now. We now need to start sorting out some boxes of spares. We can now start restoring the SS. Once we've restored the SS, we can then obviously come back onto the Mark IV. And then at the top here, if we go up these stairs, we have now filled up all the space with some more space that needs to be refurbished and assembled and all of the rest. So guys, keep tuned, smash that like button, subscribe if you want to see the rest of our build. But obviously first up we need to straighten this chassis. Obviously we're here now, so we haven't sold anything yet. We are going to sort out spares, and we're going to start selling off what we don't need, and hopefully we can generate some money for that restoration project. Rondfok met karre. Rondfok met karre. This is what we do here. We don't know what the fuck we're doing. Ons fok rond. We fucking around with cars. That's all we do. Every day. Lovely. So, the S-Class rims. It's this SL. We'll show you sometimes. And my old favorite beauty, C-Class. So, we took the rims off the C-Class and put it on here. But look at that, how cuck that looks. Yo, it's the same size rim. Offset is obviously way different. Then we went to the front. The front doesn't fit at all. That bloody caliper pushes onto the wheel. So we changed the 2 back wheels and discovered the front is not working. So now we need to change it all back. However, the C-Class looks lekker with these fatter rims sitting out a little bit. I think these are beautiful on this car. So before we can keep them on this car, we have to get some new rims for that car, or at least refurbish some of these. So the car on the left has got hydraulic suspension and it's raised all the way to the top, and it's still lower than the old baby. Go for it. New addition to the family. Into my new workshop. Rev hom. Rev hom. Rev hom. Werk sy park distance nie.
Ja.
So ja, that's fine. Hy rook niks nie.